StuckInaCamper was off to the Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, Florida. We dry camped in the parking lot with Scott and Jan. Didn't get any footage for you, but it is just that, a parking lot, and makes it real convenient to go in and out of the RV show.
What's fun? Mommy, look, I'm raising. No. Am I allowed to hit it? Am I allowed to hit it, Daddy? Daddy, am I allowed to hit it?
I don't do them already, Dad. So
Can we go have one?
I like to force it.
That's how I feel.
It's nice.
Why are you filming?
I just like the railing. And the floors are
That's what
pretty.
caught my eye was the railing and the glue.
We always spend time in the Grand Designs. The Grand Design that we fell in love with this time was the Solitude bunkhouse, which is funny because we've never been drawn to the Solitudes before, but it really is amazing. It's huge, huge bunkhouse, huge closet. The kids get a separate half bath that has outdoor access, so that's really nice. I didn't get a whole lot of footage of it, but you can see some clips here. And then you guys will have your own bathroom.
Come on, Pete, you got it.
We finished the night with what has almost become an annual tradition, having a Grand Design dinner. We went to Hard Rock Cafe. There was, gosh, over 50 of us. Got to meet some fellow YouTubers, so that was fun. See the bigwigs in Grand Design and spend some time with them too. So it's always a good time. It's just, we can never say enough how much of an amazing company Grand Design is.